welcome to the shop. In this video we are going to be steam bending a Helix. I have the steam box going right here. That's the box. There's the steamer. The piece of wood is 3/4 of an inch. The rule of thumb for steam bending is 1 inch of thickness per 1 hour in the box. So if it's 2 inches, it would be 2 hours in the box. So first we're going to be going over this piece, which is just a curved jig. We're going to be steaming that twice, one on either side, and then we're going to be putting it in the vise and twisting it up. So let's get to it. So the bend came out pretty well. One of the things that I was doing in the first 2 bends was I was breaking the lignin on either side of the wood. I was stretching it. Wood is made up of 2 things. You have cellulose, which is the cellular tubes, and then lignin, which glues those tubes together. And when you stretch that lignin, it becomes a little bit more elastic, and then you can twist it up a lot tighter without having any issues. If you found this video helpful and want to see others like it, please hit the subscribe button, like it, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and keep woodworking.